What's up, everyone? It's Demolition Derby for Life. We're here working on the 1987 Ford Crown Vic, the blue one. Right now I am fixing the frame. In the previous video, if you saw it, the front of the car was sky high. It was pretty much junk. The frame was rusted out behind the crush boxes and beside it, and I am fixing it right now. What I'm doing is I'm taking plates. As you can see here, I got one side done, or not done, or I got one plate done. I'm gonna do two more on the back side to strengthen this up, and I might put one on top as well. But as you can see, I got a nice plate on there. I got my welds holding it on there. If you didn't kind of see what the frame looked like, it was it was just like this. You could put your whole finger through, but it was all rusted out right here. So this side's actually pretty decent yet. So I'm just gonna be adding a plate here to strengthen it, and then a plate on top, a plate here, and a plate there, and that's pretty much how it's gonna hold. Right now, how I have it sitting, I mean, it doesn't look like it, but I do have the frame so where it's completely level, where the front frame is level coming out, level going across. Everything's just pretty close to level. I've just been I just cleaned everything up, and I'm welding everything nice and solid. I'm gonna add a few more extra plates on that side, like I said, but I'm gonna set up my GoPro somewhere so you guys can see me welding, and then I'm gonna do a time lapse off of that. But basically, I got my 1/4-inch plates, and then just gonna weld it all nice and solid so this frame doesn't bend up front here. This will be considered as pretty much my 6 inches of, I think it's 6 inches of frame repair. That doesn't say in the rule, it just says 6 and then 2 dash lines. I don't know if that's 6 inches or if I could do 6 feet. It doesn't specify. So I'm just gonna do as much plating as I need to get it fixed. So if they bitch at me, they bitch at me. But I want this car to be half-assed decent. And then once I get all the plates welded down, I'm gonna drop it and we'll see how it sits. And if it's kitty wampus, I kind of fucked myself or screwed myself over, but whatever. It's just gonna be a center car. But alright, we'll get the time-lapse video going.